How to log into Walmart account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here you will find the search box. Type in Walmart and search for it. With that you will find this website option, walmart.com. Go ahead and open it. You will be directed to the official website of Walmart. Now at the top left corner you can find 3 bars. Click on it. Go ahead and click on the option of sign in or create account. Now over here you'll need to type in your email address that is linked with your account. Once you type in, click on continue. Now type in your password, or also you can use verification code that will be sent to your email address to log into your account. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of sign in, and with that you will be logged into your account. Well, this is how you can easily log into your Walmart account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.